Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY we're going to be using two of these 4x4" frame from Dollar Tree. You still have a really good chance of finding these in the store because I've seen them quite a few times. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is go ahead and open these. Alright, so next I'm going to glue these back in place. I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue. Alright, so now I'll put these aside to let them dry. Next up I have two of these mirrors from Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue these together as well. Next I'll run a bead of hot glue right behind it. Now I'll allow these pieces to set up and then come back. So these have been drying for about an hour. Going to flip them over and reinforce them with two of these popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree. Next up, I have some of these Dollar Tree tower blocks. So now I'm going to take one of my Dollar Tree tower blocks and glue it right here in the center. And I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue. I'm going to move that aside. Now I have one of these Dollar Tree mirrors. Unfortunately, you may not be able to find these mirrors, but they do have a new 8x10 mirror that can be used as an alternative. And I have used these mirrors in a DIY as well, and I'll link it below in the description. So I'm going to take two tower blocks and glue them right here and right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is glue this on top of here. And before I do that, I'm going to add some glue to here. Turn this around, make sure it's right in the middle. So now I'll let this dry for a couple of hours and then come back. Okay guys, so let's flip this over. Alright, so next up I'm going to take two tower blocks. This one I've already attached a sawtooth hook to, and I'm going to glue it here. Again, I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue. Put it right in the center. Same thing with this piece. Okay guys, so back to our frames. I'm going to glue some of these diamond gems on the inside of this one. But before we do that, I'm going to take this mirror that we're going to be using later. I'm going to face it upright. Put that right in the center. Now these are from Michael's. Dollar Tree has some a little bit smaller, and then Dollar Tree also has the really tiny ones. And I'm going to use my hot glue. And the reason I'm using hot glue is because whenever you use things like these and rhinestones, strong adhesive eats away at the silver that's on these. So for me to maintain the brilliance of these little diamonds, I'm going to use hot glue. And because you're using hot glue, you need to work really fast. Hold it like this. I want to put this right in the center and see if I need to add any more stones. Okay, I went ahead and removed the glue web, so now I'm going to glue both frames together. I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue. Now I add some tape to it to help hold it in place while the glue sets up. I'm going to use my fan for this part. Thank you, Minda. Everyone should have a friend like Minda. Get you one. Find you a friend like Minda. Next up I have some string lights. So what I'm going to do is just glue this to the back. And you'll know this is the back because you see all the glue. This is where the fan comes in handy. I'm going to turn it on high, and now I'm going to hot glue this in place. Using the fan is going to make this go by a whole lot quicker. Basically, I'm just wrapping it around. You can zigzag it however you want to. It's totally up to you. Okay guys, I'm finally done, and this is what it looks like. Let me turn this on so you can see what it looks like. It may not look like much now, but it will in the end. Okay guys, so back to my mirror. This is what it looks like after it dried. Again, this is the top because of the hook. Normally I would glue this on, but because you need to change the battery, I'm not going to glue it to the back of here. So my next step is to glue this right in the center. And this is going to be kind of free where you can tuck it in the back. This is the front again. And I need to see exactly where I need to put my glue. And now I'm going to slowly put this weight on here and let that dry. Once this completely dries, I'll come back and move on to the final step. Okay guys, welcome back. This is the very next morning, and this is what we have. Again, this is the top. Eventually we're going to put that behind there, but for now we're going to go ahead and add some bling to our wall sconce. We're going to use some diamond bling and some mirror tile. We're going to go ahead and add some diamond bling on the side of this mirror. And I'll continue to go all the way around. I'm going to add some here as well. And then for this piece, we're going to use the mirror tile. And I'm going to start right in the middle. Alright, so I'm done adding the bling all the way around. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to take our mirror and put it right in the center. Put that right in the center, press down. So now I'll go ahead and hang this on the wall, turn on the light, and let you guys see what it looks like. And here are my completed wall sconces. A few mirrors from Dollar Tree, a mirrored frame, some fairy lights, and we have a brand new set of high-end looking wall sconces. Comment below if you like it with or without the lighting. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, my upload days are Mondays and Thursdays. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.